How to choose the best espresso machine for your home. Choosing the best espresso machine for your home can be a daunting task. There are so many different brands and models on the market, each with its own unique features. However, by taking the time to do your research, you can find an espresso machine that is perfect for your needs. Here are a few things to keep in mind as you shop for an espresso machine. Budget. What is your budget? Espresso machines come in a wide range of prices and styles, so it's important to choose one that fits your budget and your needs. If you're just getting started with making espresso, a cheaper machine may be a good option. However, if you're looking to make higher quality espresso, you'll need to invest in a higher-end machine. There are a wide range of prices when it comes to espresso machines, so you'll want to make sure you pick one that's affordable for you. Features. Next, consider what features are most important to you. If you're an avid coffee drinker, an espresso machine with a built-in grinder might be a must-have. If you like to entertain guests, look for a machine with multiple spouts so that you can make multiple drinks at once. And if convenience is key, look for an espresso machine that comes with its own frothing pitcher and tamper. Lifestyle. Finally, consider your lifestyle. If you entertain often or have a large family, you'll need a machine that can handle a lot of use. If you're a coffee lover but don't drink it every day, you might not need all the bells and whistles that come with some of the more expensive machines. By keeping these factors in mind, you'll be sure to find the best espresso machine for your needs. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked the video. Subscribe to the channel and share this video to a coffee lover friend.